This is John Grover. It's February 11th, 2018. Just a quick look at the S&P, where it is today. And we had a test of that level I mentioned in the previous recording, right at the 25.31.48. I think it was 1 point above that level I mentioned last time. And we had a strong rally up Friday. That in this case is indicated by this tail on this weekly chart. Each bar is 1 week. The indicator that we had talked about pulled back up and away from the green level of 49.47. Of course, that number is not really important. It's just that it has been tagged in the past and has proven to pinpoint areas where a rally could begin. Since this decline has been so strong, I believe that we're going to get something more like what we saw here. This level here, this time frame here, shows a fairly strong pullback, some back and fill, and then a rally to nearly the high, maybe a little over the high in this case, who knows, till we see the indicators at those levels, and then another pullback, maybe a stronger pullback or back to this level again before we get a final rally, a larger rally to new highs. So once again, I think that this is going to look choppy. Maybe we'll get a little bit more up and then a little bit of down, something like this, and then up to new highs or up near the highs. We also could go on down to this next level soon. Basically looking for something like this or a more firm test of this green line that holds. I just think that's more of a typical display for this market. Real quickly, we will look at this shorter term time frame. This is each bar is 2 hours, and we can see much more closely the decline that happened in the last 2 weeks. Of course, we had that strong rally and then the fall into Friday. The fall into Friday in the futures, which is what this is, almost tested that level that it had tested before. And as on the weekly chart, in this case, I've marked red lines here on the 2-hour chart to mark resistance levels that may or may not stop the market as it rallies up. It would be great if we could see this 27.26 clear. If the market went above that immediately, I think that's a further sign that we have found the bottom on this longer term and that we're fully in the way of getting up to the new highs or toward the old highs at least before we do any more sideways correcting. Anyway, hope you like this video. Please click like if you did, and share this channel and follow this channel if you like this analysis. Thanks again, and we'll talk soon.